Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to our channel Competition Grid. In this video, I am going to discuss important days and themes of May 2020. Here some of the important days I am discussing. So please remember this. Okay, first one is World Milk Day. This is celebrated on June 1st. The theme of this year 2020 is 20th anniversary of World Milk Day. Next one, same on June 1st, another day, that is Global Day of Parents, is also celebrated. The theme for this year 2020 is Appreciate all parents throughout the world. Next one, June 2nd, that is International Sex Workers Day of 2020 is celebrated. As we all know that Telangana Formation Day is celebrated on 2nd June. And World Bicycle Day of 2020 is celebrated on 3rd June. And on 4th June, that is International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression is celebrated. Next, World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th. The theme of this year for 2020 is Celebrating Biodiversity. Next, on the same day of June 5th, that is International Day for the Fight Against Illegal, Unreported and Unregulated Fishing is also celebrated on June 5th. And on June 6th, Russian Language Day is celebrated. And World Food Safety Day is celebrated on June 7th. The theme for this year 2020 is Food Safety Everyone's Business. Next one, 8th June, that is World Oceans Day. The theme for the year 2020 is Innovation for Sustainable Ocean. Next one, World Day Against Child Labor is celebrated on 12th June. The theme for this year is COVID-19 Protect Children from Child Labor now more than ever. Next one, International Albinism Awareness Day, that is celebrated on June 13. The theme for the this year 2020 is Made to Shine. Next, on June 14th, that is World Blood Donor Day of 2020 is celebrated. The theme for this year is Safe Blood Saves Lives. Okay, next one, on 15th June, that is World Wind Day of 2020 is celebrated. And on the same day of 15th June, another day, that is World Elder Abuse Awareness Day is celebrated. The theme for the year 2020 is Lifting Up Voices. Next one, on the same day, that is June 15th, another day, that is National Nature Photography Day is also celebrated. On 16th June, that is International Day of Family Remittances is celebrated. Next one, on 17th June, World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought is celebrated. The theme for the year 2020 is Food, Feed, Fiber, the links between consumption on land. Next one, on 18th June, International Picnic Day of 2020 is celebrated. And on same day of 18th June 2020, Karnataka observes as Mask Day. Next one, on 19th June, that is World Sauntering Day of 2020 is celebrated. On 20th June, World Refugee Day of 2020 is celebrated. The theme for this year is Step with Refugee. Next one, on 21st June, World Hydrography Day is celebrated. The theme for this year is Hydrography Enabling Autonomous Technologies. Next one, on 21st June, that is International Yoga Day of 2020 is celebrated. The theme for this year is Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. Next one, on 3rd Sunday of June of every year is celebrated as Father's Day. Next one, on 21st June, World Music Day is celebrated. The theme for this year 2020 is Music at the Intersections. Next one, on 23rd June, United Nations Public Service Day is celebrated, and International Widows Day is also celebrated on 23rd June, and International Olympic Day of 2020 is also celebrated on 23rd June. On 25th June, Day of Seafarer of 2020 is celebrated, and on 26th June, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking Day of 2020 is celebrated. The theme for this year of 2020 is Better Knowledge for Better Care. Next one, on 26th June, International Day in Support of Victims of Torture is celebrated, and on 27th June, Micro, Small and Medium Sized Enterprises Day is celebrated, that is MSMEs Day is also celebrated on 27th June. Next one, on 28th June, National Insurance Awareness Day is celebrated for the year 2020, and Statics Day is celebrated on 29th June of year 2020. The theme for this year is Ensure Healthy Lives and Promote Well-Being for All at All Ages. This was given by SDG 3 and Achieve Gender Equality and Empower All Women and Girls. This was given by SGD 5. And International Asteroid Day of 2020 is celebrated on 30th June. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share to your friends. Thank you.